Okay, Sunday morning. Hey budgies, my studio assistant's over there. Very musical, very foul, wonderful singing they do, chortling and so on. Here's the bottom, this is coming along here. Bottom half of the mosaic drawing, Tolerance Education Memorial combo artwork. I newly completed yesterday a toy horsey on the right there. I'm putting something over here after I find something I like. Candlestick holder in the shape of a bird. Profile view also going right, the same direction as the horse. 2 wooden chairs. A figurine of a dancing or whatever, arms raised, big smile female. And like a rowboat with 2 oars in it. All right, to be continued. Officer Stephen Tyrone John's memorial drawing there. Drawing I did from a photograph of a Romani child, I believe from Auschwitz.